Hi, I'm Deb from Skein Sisters. So we have just got one of our samples back that has been knitted by the amazing Liz, who's all the way over in New Zealand, and it's the latest Stephen West MCAL, the Geogradient Shawl. Isn't it absolutely amazing? So Liz has done it exactly as the pattern is as written now. So with this wonderful geometric square in the middle, going out with eyelets. Look at this incredible, it's a slip stitch there. It's really beautiful. And then the edge.
Yeah.
The amazing thing is that I sent her the pattern on the Thursday night when it got released. And I think on the Sunday, she'd already finished it. And I was really thinking this last bit was going to take her a long time because I know it's things like pearl two through the back loop and stuff, which is one of my most hated stitches, I have to say. But anyway, she has just done such a beautiful job and we're absolutely thrilled to have it in the shop. Now, when this came out, obviously the hand-dyed yarns are just the perfect choice for any of his shawls, but we wanted to show what it would be like in one of our more commercial yarns. So this is actually made in Peppin 4. Now, this is it here. So it's a 4-ply fingering weight yarn. It's 100% Australian superfine, fine merino, not superfine, fine merino superwash. And it comes in 50-gram balls in really, really beautiful colours. And the ones that we used, I don't have all the colours right now in 4, and I'm dropping balls. We've got mustard, so I'm just going to show it to you in Peppin 8. Mustard, the coral, that one actually is, geranium, and maroon. That's right, check my little list, yes. So mustard, coral, geranium, maroon. And we do have them sort of set up as Geogradient kits still, if you wanted to use that. But the amazing thing, I think that everyone has said when they've picked it up is just like, oh my goodness, it is so soft. And it really is, it's so soft. It's beautifully drapey. It's, I'll just chuck it on.
Chuck it on.
Chuck it on.
Here you
Looks
go.
really lovely, really lovely to wear. Woolly, but not scratchy. Yeah, it's a lovely, lovely yarn. So something that you can either use along with the hand-dyed yarns or completely on its own for something like this. It's just fabulous. So if you haven't done the Geogradient yet, and now that you've seen it, you're pretty keen to go ahead, it's just a matter of choosing 4 colours in a beautiful gradient, and you end up with something like this.